Okay, this being a 302 with aftermarket air conditioning, the pictures and video may not be as useful as it otherwise might be, but this is pretty much what we're looking at for the mounting of the air conditioning system. Power steering pump bracket, a plate above it, above which is mounted the air conditioning compressor itself. I really think this is a far cry from what you need to see. And both of our 73 Mustangs are set up the same way, unfortunately. Boy, that's not really helping much at all. Well, hopefully, if nothing else, to see how not to do it. I wish I had the 6.9 Shelby out here at this house. I would take pictures of it. It might be a bit closer to what you need. Tomorrow we go to a car show early in the morning, and I think what I'll do is once I'm there, I'll see if I can get some videos and pictures of that air conditioning system, because even though it's a 428 engine, the bracket mounting might be similar in approach to what you have for a 302 or 351.